Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 8i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And if we've got the keyboard on the screen right now, we can take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, tap on this three dot icon and find it somewhere here, tap on it, hold it and drag it to this option bar, let's say. So let's enter the settings, as I said, and tap on the languages, which is on the very first position. Here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm sure that you will find something. And let me pick, let's say, a graphical language in order to show you the actual difference between both layouts. So let me pick Assyrian, let's tap on it, and as you can see, sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on the one you would like to use and tap on done here. And as you can see, the Assyrian has been immediately applied to this list. So let's get back. And as you can see, I hope that you can see it, we've got actually two differences comparing this keyboard to the previous one. So first of all, on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which is right here, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic, actually not Arabic, Assyrian one. Let me tap on it again and again English. So actually this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe usually or perhaps you won't need two different languages added. So let's enter the settings again and the languages. And of course there was a misclick. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon again. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so it looks like it was on the very first step of this whole changing language operation. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot see the globe icon, so we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your REALME 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.